butterfly drifts through the morning air, with color soft and wings so fair. Yet on the left a secret shows, a third wing shining as it glows. It flutters gently, slightly shy, still learning how to trust the sky. A beauty rare, a gift unseen, a life lived in a different sheen. Though balance sways from side to side, it still finds strength in every stride. For what feels strange or out of place can lift the heart with quiet grace. Its third wing holds a tender spark, a deeper sense, a listening heart, a way to feel beyond the